Hello guys, this is the part 3 of my video. I will tell you the secret of surviving the number 1 to 20. This is the number world. You can learn how numbers. And also, I thought the same is this. So, this is ours here. This is the secret that I play numbers every night. Answering like me, always be consistent with answering. Ta-da! And also tell you a secret of reading Greek. Always remember, consistency is the key. Now this is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Goodbye!